Hey guys, in this question we are given that an EM wave is propagating in a medium with a velocity v equals to vi, that is in x direction, and the instantaneous oscillating electric field of this EM wave is along positive y-axis. That is the, let's say this is the y-axis and this is x-axis, and we need to find out the direction of oscillating magnetic field. So you need to know that these magnetic field, electric field, and the direction of propagation are mutually perpendicular to each other. So only direction possible for magnetic field is z direction, and so you can rule out the option 3 and option 4. Now we need to find out whether the magnetic field is oscillating in the negative z direction or positive z direction. We see here the direction of propagation is the cross product of direction of electric field and magnetic field. So we are given that the direction of propagation is x-axis, and direction of electric field is y direction, that is j cap. So we just need to find out what will lead to I cap. We just need to find out what will lead to I cap, that is j cap in cross product something. So we need to find out something, and as you know that I cap can be written as the cross product of j and k cap. So we can assume that the direction of magnetic field is positive z direction.